Do you know that Toyota makers keep some features hidden that only smart drivers know? But 70% of drivers are unaware of these. That's right. From rolling windows with a fob to saving fuel without lifting a finger. These hidden tricks can totally change the way you drive. Let's see if you know these 13 tricks. Especially the last one? I bet even your mechanic might not be aware of it. Let's dive in. Number 1. Toyota's glass of water mode. Ever wonder how smooth your driving really is? Toyota came up with a fun way to show you, called glass of water mode. Inspired by the initial D-Anime series, where the main character had to drift through mountain roads without spilling a drop from a cup. This feature challenges your smoothness behind the wheel. The idea: imagine there's a full glass of water on your dashboard. Every time you brake too hard, accelerate too fast, or take a turn too sharply, you spill it. Toyota's system watches your driving and lets you know how much water you would have lost based on your style. It's a playful but smart way to improve your driving habits and become more fuel efficient. Sadly, this feature isn't on all newer models, but it's still one of the coolest eco-driving tools Toyota ever created. Number 2. Easy control windows and sunroof. Ever wish you could cool down your Toyota before even getting in? Good news, you can. With just your key fob, you can roll down all the windows and even open the sunroof for instant airflow. Just press the unlock button twice and hold it on the second press. Your windows will drop slightly, giving your car a quick breath of fresh air, perfect for hot or humid days. Want full ventilation? Just hold the unlock button and watch all the windows roll down and the sunroof slide open. It's like giving your car a quick breeze before you step inside. And here's a neat backup trick. If your key fob battery is dead, no worries. Use the physical key, insert it into the door lock, hold it in the unlock position to lower the windows, or turn it the other way to close them all at once. Handy, right? Number 3. Rear seat reminders. Your Toyota doesn't just drive smart, it thinks smart too. Ever worry about forgetting something in the back seat? The rear seat reminder has your back. You can turn it on by going into your infotainment screen, then tapping settings greater than safety and alerts or vehicle settings, and switching on rear seat reminder. Now, every time you turn off the car, it gives you a heads up to check the back. And here's another clever trick. If you accidentally lock a spare key fob inside the car, your Toyota gives a long beep to let you know before you walk away. Carrying heavy bags on the front seat? That seatbelt chime can get annoying. Toyota gives you the option to have the dealer turn off the sound while still keeping the seatbelt warning light. Just a few smart reminders that make everyday driving easier. Number 4. Set geofencing, speed alerts, or more in your Toyota app. Your phone and even your smartwatch can do way more than just take calls. With the Toyota app, you can lock, unlock, or even start your car right from your wrist. Just sync it up, and you're in control no matter where you are. Worried you left a door open or forgot to fuel up? The app sends alerts straight to your phone. You can even customize what it tells you by heading into Remote Connect setting. Want to keep your car healthy? The app gives you vehicle health reports and tells you when it's time for maintenance. It also scores your driving. Yes, like a video game, showing you how to improve in the driver score section. Parents and business owners will love the geofencing and speed alerts. Set zones or speed limits, and the app will notify you if the car crosses the line. You can even check where your car's been with the Journey History tab. One app with so many cool tools. Number 5. Smart tools for fuel. Saving your Toyota is full of smart features that can save you time, gas, and stress if you know where to look. Ever spend forever trying to find the cheapest gas? Open the Toyota app and use fuel prices or find gas stations. It'll show nearby stations and compare prices so you get the best deal every time. Lost your car in a packed parking lot? The parked car locator remembers where you left it and guides you back. For even more help, Find My Car gives step-by-step directions on a map, super helpful at big events or shopping centers. Want a smoother ride in traffic? Turn on Drive Connect in your infotainment setting. You'll get live traffic updates and even have access to a real person 24/7 if you need help. It's like having a co-pilot that never sleeps. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 6. Unlock secret performance modes. Your Toyota isn't just built for comfort, it's got some hidden power modes too. Need to get out of deep mud or snow? Try turning off traction control. Look for the TRAC off button on your dash. Hold it down until the light turns on. This lets your wheels spin more freely, just what you need when stuck. But if you're feeling a little more adventurous, there's VSC off, Vehicle Stability Control. Turn this off for full control of your car's handling. Great for off-roading or getting a little sporty. Now here's one more trick for the highway. Your Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, can switch to a regular cruise mode. Just activate ACC, then press and hold the cruise on-off button for 3 seconds. Boom, you've got yourself a classic cruise setup. These modes aren't just fun, they're practical too, when used the right way. Number 7. Use your key fob more smartly. Your Toyota key fob does more than just lock and unlock doors. It's got a few hidden tricks up its sleeve. First, if the battery ever dies, don't panic. Press the small release button to slide out the hidden emergency key inside the fob. It'll unlock your door the old-fashioned way. Now here's something many drivers don't know. Your fob might have remote start. Just press the lock button 3 times, holding it on the 3rd press. Your engine will start up from a distance, perfect for heating or cooling your car before you hop in. Need to light up a dark driveway? Press unlock twice, then hold it. The exterior lights turn on, lighting your path. Is the key fob acting weird? Try a reset, press and hold, lock and unlock at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Want to program a new key fob? Your manual will guide you with the steps specific to your Toyota model. Number 8. Quick audio adjustments. Need to mute your music fast while driving? Toyota makes it super easy. Look for the mode button on your steering wheel. It's more powerful than it looks. Just press and hold it for about 3 seconds, and your audio system will instantly mute. No need to fumble with the touchscreen or reach for the volume knob. It's perfect for when you're pulling up to a drive-thru, getting a call, or just want some quiet without taking your eyes off the road. Simple, safe, and super convenient. Number 9. Park like a pro with advanced tech. Parking in tight spots doesn't have to be stressful. Toyota's got your back with some seriously smart tech. One of the coolest tools? The Bird's Eye View camera. It gives you a full 360-degree look around your car, making it way easier to park without guessing where the curb is. Want an even closer look? While parking, press the Bird's Eye View button twice to switch to a side view of your wheels. Perfect for squeezing into narrow spaces or avoiding those annoying scratches. Need help with parallel parking? Turn on Parking Assist. Just start your car, go into the infotainment screen, tap Settings or Parking Assist, and switch it on. It'll handle the steering while you focus on shifting and braking. It's like having a parking pro riding with you. Number 10. Infotainment, tips and hidden shortcuts. Think your Toyota's touchscreen is just for music and maps? Think again. There's a secret side to your infotainment system, and it's packed with tricks most drivers never use. For starters, some Toyota models have a hidden diagnostic menu. Here's how you unlock it. With the car on, press and hold the setup button, then flash your headlights 3 times. If your car supports it, this opens up a hidden menu with advanced settings and tools. Want to feel like a tech wizard? On Entune systems, go to Apps, tap Settings, then quickly tap Software Update 5 times. Boom! Secret mode activated. Hybrid owners have their own bonus trick too. Just turn on the car without starting the engine, then press the gas pedal twice and the brake twice. Repeat the pattern, and you're in maintenance mode. And don't forget about the speed-sensitive volume. It automatically adjusts your music as you speed up, so your favorite song never fades out on the highway. Number 11. Reversible dual-height cargo floor. Got a RAV4? Then you've got a clever little trick in your trunk. Starting with 2019 models, Toyota added a reversible dual-height cargo floor, and it's more useful than it sounds. You can set the floor in two positions. The upper level creates a flat surface when the back seats are folded down, perfect for sliding in boxes or luggage. Drop it to the lower level, and you get over 2 extra inches of vertical space, great for taller items. Here's the bonus. Flip the floor over, and you'll find a hard plastic side. That's perfect for hauling messy stuff like muddy boots, wet gear, or even a dirty pup. Some drivers say the cargo floor can sag a little under heavy loads in the upper position, but many fix that by adding foam blocks or using a full-size spare tire underneath. It's a simple feature that adds serious flexibility. Number 12. Forward-looking sensors that keep you safe. Toyota's Safety Sense system is like having an extra set of eyes on the road, and it all starts with a camera and a radar sensor working together up front. The camera sits right behind your rearview mirror, tucked up on the inside of your windshield. The radar sensor hides behind the Toyota badge in the grille. These two work as a team to power features like pre-collision warning, lane tracing assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. But here's the catch. If either sensor gets dirty, these smart features might not work right. That's why it's important to keep your windshield clean and check that nothing is blocking the Toyota badge. Wipe the radar area gently with a soft cloth, no pressure washers or scrubbing, and don't stick anything, like decals or sunshades, over the camera or badge. That can confuse the system. Simple cleaning keeps your high-tech safety gear running smoothly. Number 13. Safety Connect. Help when you need it most. Toyota's Safety Connect features are like having an emergency team riding with you just in case. These are available on many newer RAV4s, but keep in mind they require a monthly subscription. First up is the Emergency Assist button. It's usually located near the rearview mirror. Press it any time, and you'll be connected to a live dispatcher 24/7 who can send help right to your location. But what if you're in a crash and can't press the button? No problem. Toyota's automatic collision notification kicks in. If your car senses a collision, it alerts a dispatch center on its own. A trained agent will call your vehicle, speak with you if possible, and send emergency services using GPS. If your vehicle is ever stolen, the Stolen Vehicle Locator can help too. After you file a police report, Toyota can track the car through GPS and work directly with the police to help recover it. It's all about peace of mind when it matters most. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you find this video helpful, then be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.